So I'm not really convinced the bleach really has done anything. 2.0. It's taken as the best part of yesterday and today. This is the oil that we're using. The coverage of this paint is fantastic. So today we are going to be getting the garden summer ready. So the first job that we need to do is get the jet wash out, and we're going to jet wash the patio. James has already cleared the patio, ready for me to do the jet washing. But I'll just show you what it's looking like at the moment. James has actually just removed some brickwork which was here, which was a bit random, so we got rid of that. I need to jet wash the climbing frame as well. I'll also just show you my waterproof attire. Hopefully that'll keep me nice and dry with some plastic bag, making a new fashion statement there. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we're on a second day of jet washing. So I just went over and jet washed the whole patio yesterday. I've done like a test patch of bleach on the patio to see if that will get the black marks off. I'll just show you where the area that I did it in. It's this area here that I tested it on, so sort of along here and there. So I'm going to jet wash it off and see what it looks like. I have got some before photos, so I'll shove that in. Pop that in here somewhere, but I'm not 100% certain the bleach has done the trick, but we'll see. Give it a try. If it does make a little bit of difference, then we'll do the whole patio. Hey, so future Millie here. So I just wanted to add, looking at the before photo of the patio and then the after where the patio's dry, it does look better. However, the before photo is when the patio was wet, and when the patio is dry it definitely does look a lot better. However, if I slot in the before photo here when the patio was wet and then the after photo of the patio when it's wet again, it doesn't look any different. Or if it does, it's like the smallest difference, so it's just not worth me going over the whole patio with the bleach. It was worth a try. But anyway, let's go back to it. Okay, so I'm not really convinced the bleach really has done anything. I think the patio just needs a quick once over with the jet wash just to get rid of any more residue that's on there. I think next summer we'll get some proper patio cleaner and try that instead. But I forgot to show you my 2.0 of my trousers. 2.0. Today we are going to be getting the furniture sanded and painted. Well, oiled, and then we're also going to get the gazebo cover back on. And the weather's looking fabulous today, the sun's out, so yeah, what better time than any. James is just taking a bit of the furniture apart just so that when we come to oil it, it's a lot easier for us to do that. So I'll just show you the current state of the garden. We need to put the cover up here, and then yeah, as I say, James is just taking the backs off the patio furniture. Taken as the best part of yesterday and today to get the furniture all sanded. So I'll just show you what it's looking like. We have done a really good job, if I do say so myself. The oil that I've got is an anthracite grey, so it's going to be quite dark. So we wanted to get as much stain off as possible first before we started putting the oil on. This is the oil that we're using. So it's an Osmo Country colour. So yeah, I'm going to get this one stained up first, and then yeah, go from there. Don't touch this. Right, so the last few days the weather has been absolutely awful, so I haven't been out here to do any more painting. So I'm hopefully going to get the final first coat on all the furniture, and then hopefully, possibly Friday. No, it's probably going to be the weekend to be fair. I'll get a full coat on it all again, and then that's it with the furniture. And then there's a few other bits that I do want to sort of get treated and stained up as well. gone all sunny all of a sudden. It's been miserable out here, and now the sun's come out, so hopefully you can see that. But I've got one coat on it all, and the coverage of this paint is fantastic. I've not even used half a can. It's expensive, but it's got good coverage, so yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So we managed to finish painting the furniture, so I now just need to screw the backs back on. Okay, so I've screwed everything back together, so there's just a few bits that I will need to touch up on the furniture. There was one part where we had some dribbles, so I've sanded that back and that just needs another coat. And then there's just a few bits that I noticed that probably could do a little bit of extra oil on. Okay, so the furniture's all now done, so I've just put it underneath the... I've just seen a bit that's massively been missed. So I might need to get the oil out again. As you can see, there's a massive bit that's been missed. How the hell have we both missed that? And then I want to get the dining table set up because my mum's given me her old garden dining table. So I'm going to get that set up out here. And also we've got a storage, like plastic shed thing. Again, something that my mum had, but she has no need for it anymore, so we're going to get that set up as well, and we're going to use that to put our cushions and stuff in, because our shed is very full at the moment because we have got a shed load of parquet in there, which we are in the process of scraping the bitumen off, and then eventually it's going to be going all the way through the downstairs. But yeah, anyway, let's get that bit painted and then get the dining table set up. So I set up the little plastic shed so we can store our cushions in, although I'm not 100% certain if to keep it there or not. No, what do you think? Maybe it'll go down there. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking maybe it should go further up because in the morning the sun is here, so it'd be quite nice to have a dining table here, I think. But yeah, we'll have a play. Let me know what you think. So we haven't been out in the garden for a few days, but we're going to crack on and get some more bits done. The garden's looking pretty good now that I've got all the furniture laid out, but we just need to now make it look pretty. The furniture's all ready to be styled up and stuff. I do still need to oil the top of this, but I'm going to oil it in a clear colour, and same with that as well. And then our next project is to cover up this rubble here. We're keeping the rubble. This rubble was from when we took the walls down in the kitchen, so we're saving it because we're going to use this as our base for our workshop when we get around to building a workshop up here. So we're going to have a workshop that comes up to about here, and it's going to have an office in there as well, but we need to sort of fence it off just to make it look a bit tidier. And then we need to sort this mess out here. We got rid of a lot of plants that were in pots last summer, or end of last summer, and now we've got loads of spare pots, but I kind of don't want to get rid of them because I have got some other ideas for them. Yeah, we need to get it organised and make it look pretty because that just looks a mess. We have got a bit of a deadline because we are having Olive's second birthday party next Saturday, so we've got a week to get the garden looking nice. Next project is to sort out the pots and the fencing off the rubble area, and then we can make the garden look pretty, but you'll have to wait for the next video for that. So join me in the next one where we'll be making the garden look very summer ready. See you soon, bye!